Hello everyone, welcome to lecture 3. We already covered two lecture where we cleared some basic topic. Now let's deep dive into some important topic and after covering some topic we do some math. So let's start. Topic name is combination of events. So first one is intersection of event. The event A intersection B is the intersection of the event and consists of outcomes that are contained within both event A and B. Probability A intersection B is the probability that event A and B occur. Hello everyone, welcome to lecture 3 simultaneously. So what is what is A intersection B mean? For example, this is a set of U. This is very small. So I write a big set here. So for example, this is a set who have value of U. This is A, this is B. A is this part, B is this part. Some value of A is also matching with the value of B. So these values are same for A and B. So this is A intersection B. I hope you understand. All the similar things we write in intersection. Mutual events, mutually exclusive events. Two events A and B are said to be mutually exclusive if they have no outcome in common. For example, this one, A intersection B is a null. So let's find out what is mutual exclusive event. Basically, it is the opposite of intersection event. Let's write this one. For example, we take another set. Here is A and here is B. So there is no value common between A and B. So we can call it this is a mutual exclusive event. So A and B are mutual exclusive events if both of them are have not similar values. So let's go to another one, which is union of events. The event A union B is the union of events A and B consist of outcomes that are contained within at least one of the events A and B. So let's find out what is union event. Same, we draw a, let's, this is A and this is B. So the all value of A, this is A and this is B. So the combination of all value of A and B. So we write this using this notation. So all value of A and B. So if we A union B, right, then how it's look like in graph. So let's write, if you find A union B, then we write it this way. This is the graph and this is the value A and B. The all value between here. This is the A union B. I hope you understand. So let's learn some formula. In general, probability of A union B is probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. If A and B are mutually exclusive, then probability of A union B is equal to probability of A plus probability of B. So when a set is or events is mutually exclusive, so there is no common between A intersection B. So for this, if we write here B intersection B, for mutual event this part is equal to 0, so we no need to write this one. So only if we know this events is mutually exclusive, then this is the formula, and this is not a mutually exclusive, then this is the formula. So let's solve some problem so that you can clear your doubts. So what is what is A intersection B mean? For example, so let's understand this. A card is chosen from a pack of cards. Yes, we have to find or choose one card from a packets of cards. Are the event that a card from one of the two red suites is chosen and a card one of two black suites is mutually exclusive. Obviously, this is mutually exclusive because red had, when we pick up a card, it can be red, or it can be black. It is not possible to choose both of them in a single card because we know that if you don't know about the card number, there is 26 black cards and 26 red card. So if we pick up a card, it can be red or it can be blue. So these results are not dependent each other. So there is no common fact between red and blue. It's when we pick up a card, it can be red or it can be blue. So this is mutually exclusive. So now solve the second one. What about the event that an ace is chosen and that a heart is chosen? So there is a 4s, 2 red and 2 is black. This is a card. So red have hearts, which we can write like this, heart. So our question says, what about the event that an ace is chosen and that a heart is chosen? So it is possible to choose a card and it have same specification of as in a question given, which is ace, this is ace, and this is heart. So this is not a mutually exclusive because if we pick up a card, it can be this one. So this one is not mutually exclusive. Now solve this one. We have to find probability of B. We know the formula. Probability of A union B equal to probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A intersection B. From here we have to find this one, probability of B. So this is very easy calculation. If we write probability of B here, then probability of A union B minus probability of A, then plus probability of A intersection B. Now we have to just put in this value here, then we find the probability of B. This is very easy calculation. Now solve this one. This is little bit of tricky. So let's understand this. A card is chosen from a pack of cards. Yes, we have to find or choose one card from a packets of cards. So now let's solve this one. Where are the given value is 200 balls that are either red or shiny, dull or blue. Then a shiny red is 55, 91 shiny ball, 79 red ball. If a ball is chosen at random, what is the probability? It is either a shiny or a red ball. There is a use or. Or mean we have to use union. So basically we have to find probability of shiny union red. First we write the all given value. This we have total number of ball is 200, number of shiny ball is 91, number of red ball is 79. So if we find the probability of a number of shiny ball, then this is the probability. We already talked about in previous lecture about the formula. The probability of shiny ball is number of shiny ball divided by number of total ball. Number of total ball. So this is 91 by 200. This is the probability of shiny ball. If we find the probability of red ball, and this is the probability of red ball, 79 by 200. Then we have to find another probability. Probability of S shiny intersection red, which is let's see the value 55. So this is 55 divided by 200. So this all the value we require for solve this one. What is the probability that is either a shiny or a red ball? So our requiremented formula is S union R. We have to find this one, probability of S union R. Then probability, you know the formula, A, sorry, probability of S plus probability of R, then minus probability of S intersection R. So if we put all the value, then this is 91 plus 79 minus 55 by 200. So our final value is 115 by 200. This is our result. This is the solve for first one. Now let's solve the second one. What is the probability that it is a dull and blue? So we find here dull and blue. So I requiremented equation. We have to find dull blue. It means dull blue. This ball must be dull and blue. So for this we come here and find some values using the given details. So we know this is the value are given 55. There is a 91 shiny ball and 55 of shiny ball which is red. It's mean if we find the number of blue ball which is shiny, then shiny blue ball, then we find 91 minus 55, because this 55 ball are red and shiny, and total number of shiny ball is 91. So other balls must be blue, which are shiny. So if we subtract 91 by 55, then our result is 36. So 36 ball which are blue and shiny. Now let's find the red dull ball. Number of ball which are red and dull. So total number of red ball is 79, 79, and 55 are which red ball, those are shiny and red. It's mean if we subtract this, we find red and dull ball. 79 minus 55, which is 24. 24. So these are the value. Then we find the total number of red ball from here. 200 minus total number of red ball, which is 79. 79. So we find the value is 121. These are the blue ball, and if we find the dull ball, then this is basically prime of shiny ball. Shiny ball. This is 91, so we subtract from 200, and if we find the value of dull ball is 109. So this all the value we have. Now we have find this one. So now calculate the value. Probability of dull union blue equal to probability of dull plus probability of blue minus probability of blue. If we find this value, then probability of dull blue probability of dull plus probability of blue minus probability dull union blue. Dull union blue total number of blue ball is 121 and dull ball is 109. uh, Blue ball is 121 and dull ball is, we know that this is our dull ball, and red and dull is 24. So this is only dull and this is red and dull. So if we find number of dull and blue ball, then we just subtract these two value, then we find 85. So if you use our general knowledge, then we did not use this one, so we easily calculate this one by using only subtraction. So just we now find the probability of this one. This is 85 by 200, and this is our answer. We only just subtract the value by using our common sense, that's all. So that's how we can solve this one. So now go to our next topic, which definition of conditional probability. The conditional probability of an event A given an event B is defined as this one, and this is the formula we must follow every time, and this is one of the important formula for this course. And probability of B obviously greater than 0. It is measured as the probability that event A occurs when it is known that event B occurs. Its mean B, if B is occurs, then A is definitely occurs. Conditional probability are important and very useful since they provide appropriate updates of a set of probabilities once a particular event is known to have occurred. So now let's solve this one. You these are the given value, and we, from using the previous knowledge, we already know this formula. By using, we find this one, and now we have to find this one. So this is very easy. We use a basic and important formula, which is probability B plus probability B prime is equal to 1. So this is very easy. We just put all the value here. This is probability of one minus this value 0.464. Then we find 1 minus 0.464. Then this is the value 536. 0.36. If someone slowly die without showing you but announce that the result is even, then intuitively the chance that a 6 has been obtained is 1 by 3y. So if we roll a die, then this chance of getting 6 is probability of getting 6 is 1 by 6. And this is the even. What are the even result? Probability of even is there are 3 numbers which are even, 2, 4, 6. Then this will be 3 by 6. So if we use this formula, we already know definition of conditional probability, then we can write this one as probability 6 probability of 6 given even. We already know the formula, probability of 6 intersection even, then probability of even. So probability of 6 intersection even is 1 by 6, and probability of even is 3 by 6. So at the end we get 1 by 3. So this is the answer. That's why it's 1. I hope you understand this one. So let's solve this one. A card is drawn at random from a pack of cards. Calculate probability. Heart a given card from red suite. So this is a card from red suite. Heart. Heart only have 13 cards. Heart and A. Heart A. Card from red suite. Heart A, which is just 1, and red card are 26. So this is the probability for that. Now find this one. Heart card must be heart. So it is 13 card from red suite. So 13 by 26. We use the previous formula. Just if I break down this one so that you can understand. Basically do the same thing. Probability of heart intersection rate and the probability of rate. We use this one. So now solve number 3. Card from red suite heart. Red suite heart. So red suite heart is 1 and heart is 1. So this is 1. Basically 100%. Now let's solve number 4. I erase all of this so that I can write here. Now let's solve 4. Card must be heart. Card from black suite. So this is 0 because no black card have heart. So 0 by black card probability is 26. So this is 0. Now this one, king card from red suite. There are 2 king and red suites are 26. And the last one, number 6, king red picture card. There are 3 and 3, 6 red picture card, and king is 2. So it's 2 by red picture card, 6 and 1 by 3. So these are the answer of all this question. So that's all for today. I hope all of you understand all the topic we covered in this class. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment box. And wish you best of luck and goodbye. 200 minus total number of red ball, which is 79. 79. So we find the value is 121. These are the blue ball, and if we find the dull ball, then this is basically prime of shiny ball. Shiny ball. This is 91. So we subtract from 200, and if we find the value of dull ball is 109. So this